The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall. Look at this.
Yeah.
You see me?
See that tea that you pull up and we think say a ticket the police officer go get.
She's a nice lady still, because if it was me, I would have to stay there. All them good for the right ticket and see them car broke down. Yeah. Right our ticket now.
Cause I say she drive up with the tea that I think is a ticket she have to get, you know. But she not getting a ticket. I have shared for the dog police.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm there again. Yes, big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, to each and every motorist out there, I'd like to ask you a question. Would you help a police officer with a police service vehicle that breaks down and is seeking help? Would you? Because I never really think about a situation like that certain ways or focus on it, you know? I see it before, but I never focus on it. So, you know, I really and truly like to hear your opinions and point of views. You see me? I would like to know if you would help or what, alright? Yeah, so let me know what you think, alright? Alright, so I have more videos I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. But before I present another video to you, I would like to encourage each and every one who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now, I am going to present to you a video that is going to show a female. And in the video, the female said some things that gave me the understanding that she said that she's a mother with 5 children and that she's a single parent. She also said some things that gave me the understanding that she said that she is an employee of a security company and that she had not been paid for 3 months. I did some research and got the understanding that the security company that the female talked about in the video is within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. I do not know when the video will be recorded. Viewers and subscribers, I want you to take a look at this video and listen to the things that this female said in this video and tell me what you think. Some harsh languages have been used in this video. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Alright. Pleasant good day, Facebook. My name is Roseanne Christopher. Plenty of you know me as Roseanne Rainy out there. Right? So I have an issue. I'm trying to put up these people that I'm working with. Now I'm taping this video from home. Right? But I put on the shirt. So you know, well, it's PRD are working now, boy. These sons of a They're not paying. PRD, I would like to get my money, please. I haven't been paid since I working at Wassa Captiville location. This fortnight will make it 3 months to be exact. 3 months. I have 5 children and I am a single parent. This is overbearing. I called all the office this morning. Is I set I run around, long waiting on the phone and all of this. Only for me to call it back this evening for you to give me a number to another employee of PRD who has nothing to do with the account. And my advice was that I get was to put all up. So I put in all up. I am not the only worker that is experiencing this with PRD. PRD is working their workers and they are not paying them. And I would like for someone from the Labor Board office to investigate what is going on inside PRD. Because you cannot have workers on a location 2 and 3 months and they are not getting paid. Come on, man. PRD, you're full of pum. Right? You're full of pum shit. And I'm sick and tired. Whatever the consequences this may have, me in my uniform here, putting all it up on blast, so be it. I am ready to stand the consequences of my action because enough is enough. I try to be nice and call all you. I can't reach in the office because I don't have passage. Right? I don't have passage to reach in the office. This is why I call. And it's a run around and a beat around thing. PRD, pay your workers the money. Pay Wassa workers their money. PRD only claiming to say it is alleged. That all they're saying was I'm not paying all you. This is why all you cannot pay all your workers. That has shit to do with me. That have nothing to do with me. I am not a volunteer and they're not a fucking charity. I say I wasn't going to use that word, but hear me, a damn ass mad, you know. Because they're taking people for clown. You understand what I'm saying? This is why people just get violent, and this is how people just lose their life. Because a girl coming outside here to make an honest dollar to take care of she 5 children. And she not getting paid. They already pay me my money.
But people, it's tough for some people out there, you know. It's really rough for some persons out there, you know. You think a little videos me see posted on social media that shows persons complaining about not being paid from companies that they are working for? Eh? I know 1, I know 2, I know 3, I know 4, I know 5. My last count. When someone build a business, them build the business to make money, right? And if someone work for the owner of that business, that person work for the owner of that business to make money too as well. Am I right or am I wrong? If the business now make no money, the owner for that business might or most likely will close that business. So each and every employee of a business place should be paid according to the payment that them agree to with whosoever won the business or the employer. You can't tell me if me right or if me wrong, you know. But me just tell you what me think. You know, it's rough out there for some people. See? It's rough, you know. Anyways, let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you, and I'm going to move on to another video. The next video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show some things that happened when the police within the country of Guyana conducted an operation somewhere within the country that is known as Guyana. I do not have any confirmed information as to when the video will be recorded. This video shows how persons had been detained or arrested by the police within the country that is known as Guyana. The video shows police officers searching persons at that location, and allegedly it is said that the police suspected persons of gambling at that location. Now, many comments have been made about the video on social media, and I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to take a look at the video and tell me what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in the video. Alright, now some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video, take a look, listen and observe.
No, I'm daily nose, ma'am. I'm a operator. Hello. Can you step back? I am serious if the girl was commanded video. She can you step back?
Step back, step away. Then take my phone away to video. How they're harassing the people here. They don't want me to
I'm daily nose, ma'am. Tell me what's going on.
It had a gamble going on in the shop there, and because I was there with my car, they put me out the shop because they were jumping the food and playing for money. You understand? And when they playing for the money, my father go and say that go for jug the food because he need a little alcohol. Then chuck him in, and they chuck him in and put me outside, and then he sucked them inside there. But I'm not here for the right because they got them drink and I got alcohol. Who inside there and then put them out, and when the police stop, they stack them in front of them.
There is the commander for F Division, Mr. Watts. Thank you. Here's Mr. What? What's some daily news? Daily news, yeah. I used to have my bill to come off my mouth. Hector, bring it, please. The rest of Huh?
Alright, now one of the reasons why I presented that video to you, my viewers and subscribers, is because the video has been talked about on social media. Some of the comments made on social media about the video gave me the understanding that some persons are congratulating the police for their work. You know, other things have been said on social media about the video. And you, my viewers and subscribers, can let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you, alright? Yeah, you can also let me know what you think about those other 2 videos that I presented to you in this video as well. And here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.